Afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So it's October 28th. We got some good weather here, so we're gonna pick some corn down here at my grandpa's, getting my M3. I'm gonna run it back to the shop. We're gonna start picking corn there. Dad's got the 2388. He's getting it already. We went this morning with my buddy Zach and checked out a John Deere 690B excavator while things dried off. So needless to say, we're gonna be moving an excavator home. Zach went ahead and bought it, so him and I are going to eventually have twin excavators when I get my 690B from my buddy Mort. So it's going to be pretty cool to have two of them. I'll probably end up with his too. The cool thing about his is got the narrow undercarriage for pipe work, so that's pretty cool. You don't see them that often. Anyways, we'll walk around the M3 real quick, do a little inspection before we take off down the road. Everything looks good. Need to repaint my rims. Don't see any leaks or anything. I think we're good to go. So you're probably wondering why I'm going to use the M3. Well, the problem is the hydrostat went out on the L2 that I usually use. The one's converted for IH heads. I haven't quite got that fixed yet. And the 1660 is out of commission. I had... let's just put it this way, it's got a really bad tummy ache. The key stock grates all came out of it. We're not sure exactly if a rock passed through it or a piece of steel from somewhere passed through it, and kind of gutted it the other night when I was cutting beans. So we're waiting to figure out what we're going to do with that. So for now, we're going to use the 2388 and the M3, and hopefully this coming week I'll get the hydrostat fixed on the L2 and get it back going. So kind of down to two combines besides the one on tracks, but we'll make do with what we got. We'll get some corn out today. So let's get on the road and get home. Picking with the 1680. Smoking a cigar and picking corn. I hope he makes sure that cigar's not lit if he throws it out. Might cause a little bit of a field fire. Alright, let's get these end rows finished, picked off. definitely looks a lot better than it did coming out of this combine last year. Last year we had that issue with not getting enough air through it because of the air passageway being plugged up with some sort of coon's nest or something. But I got that cleaned out, and I'm getting plenty of airflow through the fan choke, so got the grain looking pretty good. I mean, there's a few things here and there, but no big deal. Looks real nice. I'm happy with it. All right, so we can pull one of these trucks out in the field and get it where I can get to it. We'll unload and get back to picking some corn. Well, we're at the elevator now. Got 2 loads so far today. Go ahead and get on the scale. Get probed, see what the moisture is, and then we'll go straight in. Alright. Get to go in the big concrete hole. to get over the threshold of that door. This pit filled up for now. Gotta wait till it can go to another bin. All right. I am empty. Try to fill these trucks yet tonight because the elevator's closed, so we fill them tonight. We won't really have to do anything tomorrow. And I got John Deere 690B to haul home that my buddy Zach bought, and I got feed to grain for the cows, so it wouldn't hurt my feelings if we didn't work tomorrow. It's supposed to rain some anyway, so let's get these two semis filled yet, and then Monday we'll work on getting a grain cart hooked up, and we'll get the third semi-trailer put behind the blue Kenworth. I can't believe all the lights work on this combine. It was something that I never checked on it. I kind of forgot. 23. So I'm going to unload the combine, and I think that's going to be it for tonight. With what Dad's got on a 2388, that should finish filling this trailer. So I'm going to head home and get something to eat. So thank you for watching. Greatly appreciate it. We'll see you all in the next one. From here on out, it's going to be a lot of harvesting videos. We got 1,400 acres of corn to cover, and we got about 420 acres of soybeans left to go. So well, we just kind of got a good start, but every time you go to do something, it rains. It's put everybody in this area behind. It's been a very rough harvest. We're actually pretty far behind calendar days wise, but just can't control Mother Nature. It's just farming. That auger's a little noisy. I'm gonna have to do some stuff to it. So, all right, see y'all next one.